You know these captions you see on every short form video? These captions are crucial to the performance of your video because they make it easier to follow, more engaging, and it's a great way to make a creator stand out from everyone else. Look at Iman Ghazi, Mr. Beast, and Ali Abdaal. They all have their own unique caption styles that they're known for that they use for all their videos. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own unique caption styles in just a couple minutes using Submagic for all of your short form videos. This way you can have your own unique style that matches your brand and one that nobody else on the earth is using. Let's jump right in. All right guys, this is Submagic. Now Submagic can automatically add engaging captions onto your video, and I'm gonna show you how to create your own unique captions that match your brand using Submagic here. So first what you have to do is just go to submagic.co and then press create my video now. And then all you have to do is just upload the video that you want captions added to. So I'll just upload one here real quick. And then again, with Submagic here, the great thing is you can have captions in a bunch of different languages, but we're gonna just choose English here. And then what you gotta do is just press upload. So then in a few seconds, it's gonna add captions automatically added to your video. I'll come back when the captions have officially been added. Here we go. So now that we're inside Submagic, what you're gonna see is if we play this, the captions have automatically been added to our video. Now what we can do is actually change the style of these captions by going to the design tab. Now what they have here, what Submagic has here is they have pre-made templates of some of the favorite creators so you can copy their caption style. So we can have the same captions as Mr. Beast here. Watch if we play this. We have the same captions as Ali Abdaal. If you've seen his videos, then this is his type of caption style. Iman Ghazi as well. And also Alex Hormozi, who is kind of like known for this actually. So you have these caption styles that you can copy, but also that you can customize. So now let me show you how to create your own unique caption style. So first what you have to do is you just pick a caption style to start with. Pick one of these that you like already. So we're gonna go with, here, let's go with actually Mr. Beast's right now. So what we would do is then go to custom here, and this is where we can change up the caption style to make it our own. So the first thing you can do is choose the font style. So they have a bunch of different fonts you can choose from. I'm just gonna choose, let's see, I'm gonna pick one here. I'm just gonna go through all these, find one that I like. Here we go, bangers. We're gonna choose that one. And then you can also choose the bold type. So here it's just normal. And then what we can do is also change the primary color of the text. So we can have this as white, or let's say we wanna change it to orange, right? For Submagic, we'll change it to orange. So then what we can also do is change the size of the captions. So let's say we want it smaller or bigger. I think we'll just make ours really big, make it stand out more. And then we can also choose if we want all of the letters to be uppercase or not. So we'll choose, I think we'll choose yes. We'll choose yes for now and just have them all uppercase. And then we can also choose a shadow. So for this caption style, the shadow just means it kind of just glows a little bit more. So if you watch like none here, you can see there's no glow. And if we have large, there's a lot of glow. So I think what we'll have is, let's have some medium glow here just to make it more engaging. Then we can also choose whether we want the captions to be on 2 lines, 1 line, or just 1 word popping up. So for example, like if we have 2 lines, you're gonna see here, it's on 2 lines. But if we only have 1 line, it's only 1, and then the 1 word also will work as well. So let's use the 2 lines right now just to make it a little bit different. And then we can also choose the animation. So as an example, if there's no animation here, it just means there's no animation going from one caption to the next. So if you see here, it kind of just cuts. But if we choose animation, you're gonna see it, the captions kind of pop in. See, they more now pop in. So we'll keep it as this because I like the popping in part. I think that's really cool. And then we can also do is change the highlighted colors. So what Submagic automatically does too is that it looks at different like adjectives and nouns and will highlight some of the colors or just highlight those words given like one of the colors here to make it more engaging. So if we see here, like what we can do here is like actually exclusively highlight this. So let's say we want to do this ChatGPT prompt. We can do it in this highlight color and that'll be yellow. And then we can also do, let's say we want to do 100 as green, right? And then maybe we want scripting here as like red. So we can also change the highlighted colors here. So for us, let's change the highlighted colors to, I still like green, so let's keep green, but maybe we'll do like pink just to make it stand out. Instead of red, let's do, how about like a bright blue if we can. So now if we go back here, what you're gonna see is this is now, again, we change this to pink, we change 100, we can change this to like blue here, or change this one to green, and we can just keep changing it around basically. And then, so if we're happy with that, right, I'm pretty happy with this caption style. What we can do then is press create theme here, or we can just, so let's change this to a new caption style. We're gonna name it, and then just press create theme. And now what we have here is the new theme here. So every time I now upload a video into Submagic, this will be here where I can automatically press it, and then my caption style is now added on to my videos. So as an example, like we can keep changing this to these, and then this one will now always be there for every new video I upload into Submagic. So to get my same caption style, I can just press this, and then we're good. And then to export the video, when it's done, you just press export here, and then it's just be exported out where you can now download it and then upload onto your favorite platform. So that is how you create your own unique caption styles using Submagic. And that's how you can use Submagic to create your own unique caption styles for your short form videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to learn more tips to master short form content.